Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Taste Testing Mr. Beer, where we will taste test Mr. Beer beers. Yeah?
Yep.
Yeah,
Mr. Beer beers.
Mr. Beer beers. My name is Robert.
I'm Matt.
We will be tasting our Shameless Stout today with no shame. That is, I don't actually know the name. This is another,
Shameless goes hand in hand with it's low ABV,
okay.
so you can feel.
Yeah, so you can feel shameless.
Not as shame.
I feel like I just
so
poured
much shame.
like a glass of oil into this thing.
Actually, yeah, this one's pretty viscousy, but I mean, it should be on the lighter side, like a Guinness.
Yeah,
So it looks intimidating, but they really aren't.
So this recipe consists of an Irish Stout, a pack of Robust LME, 2 packs of Booster. That's probably why it's so dark. That's not Robust. 2 packs of Booster SO4, similar to like the Guinness Extra Stout or Brooklyn Brewing Dry Irish Stout. ABV is only 5.5%. It's a pretty.
Smells wonderful.
Yeah, it smells malty, roasty.
Yeah, malty, roasty, chocolatey.
Yeah, it smells actually really good.
Yeah, hints of a little caramel in there, but just getting a lot of chocolate and actually a little bit of vanilla.
It's so weird.
Which is kind of interesting to get that.
It's so, it looks intimidating, but it's very light in your mouth. Like it's not like a heavy beer. Once you drink it, just like whoop.
And what you should look for in this style is finishing dry, which it actually here now it comes. It's smells and it looks like it might be a sweet beer, but no, it's a finishing dry beer, which is awesome. That's exactly what you want in this style of beer.
The drink's very light. Like I poured that and I was like, that looks very intimidating. I don't know if I will really enjoy this. Extremely.
Yeah, for fans of Guinness, classic Guinness, this is it. This is right on par.
That's good.
Yeah, I mean it does have legs on it, so it's got a little residual sweetness there, but I mean I can't taste it. Finish is very dry, and a little roasty. Yeah, finishing dry.
It's got great aroma. Nice. Like the aroma
smells great. Amazing. Yeah, pour a big glass of this or a couple glasses of this.
Yeah,
take over the room.
Be good to go.
Yeah.
The thing is, this is just an all extract beer, except for the Booster. There's nothing else added to it. It's just the Stout and the Robust and then Booster.
Awesome. Yeah. So simple recipe. Yeah. If you like, semi malty, chocolatey, this is perfect.
That's a good beer.
Yeah. This is a really good staple.
This is an older recipe, so make sure that you check it out. It is actually amazing.
Yeah.
Delicious. This would be like a good fall stout.
This is a good, exactly. Thanksgiving beer.
Yeah. Football
in the winter beer.
Yeah. It's so
Sunday football games.
Easy to brew. This is a 14-day brew as well. So, pretty.
Yeah, exactly. On the less time.
Well, less time, less ingredients.
Less ingredients, yeah.
It's a damn good beer. All malt extract.
Yeah, winner.
That's how we do it.
Well done,
guys. Well, that is going to wrap it up for this episode, and we will see you guys in the next episode where we will be tasting more Mr. Beer's beers.
More Mr. Beer beer.
Cheers.
Cheers.